Welcome. This is Shelley Strong with today's Everything AI News. In April's news, Adobe steps up its game in the video editing world. The San Francisco-based company has announced it's integrating advanced AI tools into Premiere Pro. This move promises to revolutionize how we edit videos, making it quicker and more intuitive by automatically filling in scenes and removing distractions. Meanwhile, we're seeing a rise in the development of autonomous AI agents, designed to perform tasks with a degree of independence similar to human assistants capable of managing to-do lists and delegating tasks. However, their current effectiveness is limited, and they pose significant safety and ethical challenges. In the corporate sector, OpenAI's ChatGPT Enterprise has seen an explosive growth, now boasting over 600,000 signups. This surge, marking a 400% increase in just 4 months, underscores the accelerating shift towards AI-driven workplaces. As businesses embrace AI, the role of chief AI officers is becoming crucial. These leaders are now pivotal in steering companies through the ethical and security landscapes of AI technology, shaping how AI integrates into everyday business practices. On the competitive front, Meta is not sitting back. The tech giant has launched its standalone AI chatbot alongside the open-source Llama 3 model. This bold move aims to challenge the likes of Google and OpenAI, signaling a hotly contested race to dominate the AI space. That's all for April. See you in May for more AI insights.